At Wiseline, we don't just sell tools. We provide the solutions you need for any project, big or small. From powerful electric drills to durable hand tools, we offer everything you need for construction, repair, and DIY projects. Our tools are built to last and designed for ultimate performance. Need something bigger? Wiseline is your go-to for top-tier equipment. From generators to compressors, our selection of heavy-duty gear is perfect for any industrial or professional project. Whether you're a professional contractor or tackling home projects, Wiseline tools and equipment are designed to get the job done right the first time. At Wiseline, we don't just offer products, we offer expert advice. Our knowledgeable staff will help you choose the perfect tools for your project, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. Discover the best prices on highest quality tools and equipment only at Wiseline. With the latest technology, unbeatable durability, and customer support you can count on, there's no better place to shop. Upgrade your toolbox today. Visit us online or in store and see why professionals and DIYers alike choose Wiseline for tools and equipment that get the job done.